In HitFilm, what you can do is you can work around with multi-track of videos and audios. That means over here you can see that I have everything in the video 1 track right now. And you can see that I have this video, and so forth. But let's say what I want to do is I want to add in a video on top of this particular video section right here. In that case, what you can do is you can go around and add in a video on another layer, which brings in video 2, as you can see. So now what you can do is, as I bring in video 2, you can see that I can go around, place it wherever I want. I can resize out this video, and if I were to press the play button, you can see that now 2 videos play at the same time. And that is what the multi-track is for. So let me just go around over here and then drag this out, or let's just go around and delete this. What you can usually do is, let's say for example, keep your logo right here, just like this. So let's say you have your logo, then what you can do is you can go around and keep it right there, and then you can play it out over here, just like this as well. So let's just go around and on the pause resolution, let's say full right here, so that you get a better quality right here, just like this. So you can see that you can add in a logo like this to your videos as well, just like this, by using the multi-track option right here. So I can go around over here and drag in my video myself right here and leave that out so that I can see the video layer right here. Let's just go around and then float this container right here so that I can go around and view this in much more detail. So you can see that there are 3 video clips right here, and let's say without actually dragging in another video, I want another track. In that case, all I need to do is right click and insert out track right here. So if I were to click on insert track, another track is inserted over here. As you can see, wherever you click, you can see that the track is inserted. Similarly, over here on the bottom side on the audio section as well, you can right click and insert track, and then it inserts out audio right here. And sometimes you may want to delete out tracks as well. So you can go around and right click and then delete track right here, just like this. So if there's video clips in them, it does notify you that the track video 3 contains 1 clip that will also be deleted. So it'll ask you whether you're sure that you want to continue. So I'm just going to go around and say yes, and the track is deleted. As you can see, I'm going to delete this as well, and so forth, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can go around and add and delete out video tracks and audio tracks and work with multi-track inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.